And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 177. Let me show you the high pass filter. You copy the original, press Ctrl J, and you will find it under Filter and Other. There's just one slider for the radius, which is basically the intensity of it. And what does the filter do? Well, it isolates and enhances the high frequency details. In simple terms, it takes the edges, textures, and fine details that it can find via contrast, and then it emphasizes them. This can be used for many effects, but one of the most common is to sharpen images. So for the copy, we go to around 40, 50, and then we change the blending mode to soft or hard light. The only difference here is that it changed the lighting a little bit, so it's gonna make your images a little bit brighter or darker, depending on what you pick here. But thanks to the filter, it also gets sharper. So these contours are now enhanced or more prominent. Let me show that on a different image. Again, I'll copy this one, then I add the high pass filter to the copy. You don't want to go too high because you can also see it gives it a little bit of a halo. And this will produce unnatural results. So in this specific case, I would go down to like 10 to maybe 15. And again, switch the blending mode from normal to soft light or hard light. And in this case, the hard light makes it a little bit brighter, soft light a little bit darker, and both improve the sharpness. And this is how you can use the high pass filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.